guys, if you are new here, welcome. If you're a returning subscriber, thank you and welcome back. Today I want to show you how to make this delicious and easy cashew chicken. For my cashew chicken, you need 1.5 cups of cashews, 2 pounds of chicken breast cut into bite-sized pieces, 3 tablespoons of minced garlic, 2 tablespoons of a hoisin sauce, 2 tablespoons of brown sugar, 2 tablespoons of white vinegar, 1/4 cup of cornstarch, 1/4 cup of soy sauce, and 1/2 cup of chicken broth. You need pepper to taste and oil for frying. First thing you want to do, you want to mix your chicken broth, your soy sauce, your cornstarch, your brown sugar, your rice wine vinegar, and your hoisin sauce. And you want to stir that until it is mixed well. It is easier to mix with a whisk. Now that my sauce is mixed well, I will set it aside. I'm going to put a little bit of oil in a big pan and turn it on to medium heat. Now I'm going to add my garlic into the pan and saute for about 30 seconds. My garlic for 30 seconds. Now I will add my chicken into my skillet. I want to cook this for about 5 to 10 minutes. At this point, you want to put some ground black pepper on your chicken. Has been cooking for 7 minutes. I'm going to add my sauce into my skillet, and you want to continually stir this until your sauce thickens. Your sauce gets to this consistency, very thick, you add in your cashews and mix well. Now that I have my cashews mixed well with my chicken, it is time to plate. I prepared my cashew chicken with some jasmine rice and some pot stickers. If you like this video, give me a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, and share it with your friends. Thank you.